Hello. Oil, gas and electricity contracts have all closed this week down. So let's take a look at the week's actions in some more detail. Monday started in bullish territory, continuing from Friday's gains. However, reports suggesting that OPEC Plus are likely to increase output from December pressured prices lower in the afternoon. Despite the weakness seen later in the day, front-month Brent still closed higher session on session. Prices continued to decline on Tuesday and front-month Brent lost $2.81 per barrel day on day. Investors continue to weigh up the presumed output increase and the impact of US sanctions against Russian oil companies. Brent jumped over $1 per barrel on Wednesday as the weekly EIA report showed a reduction in US commercial stocks of 6.9 million barrels, which was higher than expected. Thursday session saw a slight easing of prices and front-month Brent lost $0.26 per barrel. Last night, front-month Brent closed at $64.93 per barrel, which is down $1.5 per barrel compared to last Friday. With a long system, higher wind generation forecasts and overall lower demand, gas prices eased on Monday. Near-term contracts shed almost 2 pence per therm session on session. Curve contracts then rose on Tuesday as temperature forecasts were revised downwards and Hurricane Melissa travelled through key LNG shipping routes. Overall, contracts rose on Wednesday, although direction throughout the day was unclear. Market participants awaited further developments in the Middle East and EU-US sanctions on Russian energy exports. All contracts fell on Thursday, with prompt and near-term contracts seeing the biggest losses. Norway's Troll gas field came back online a day early, which returned 30 MCMs per day to flow through the Langeled pipeline. Last night, all contracts closed lower compared to last Friday. Summer 26 lost 1.3 pence per therm and Winter 26 lost 0.6 pence per therm. Power prices took their direction from weaker gas on Monday and all curve contracts eased. Wind generation was lower than expected on Tuesday, increasing demand for gas-fired generation. Prices tracked the movements of their gas counterparts closely and all contracts settled higher. Contracts then continued to track gas higher throughout Wednesday and most contracts rose. Weaker gas and carbon pressured power contracts downwards on Thursday, but last night all curve contracts closed lower compared to last Friday. Summer 26 lost £0.97 per megawatt hour and Winter 26 lost £0.17 per megawatt hour. You can download the full version of this market report from our website. Thank you for watching. See you next week.